Good morning, students. So let's start with the illustration 6. Dia and Ria were partners sharing profit and loss equally. On 31st March, the balance sheet of the firm is given below. The firm was dissolved on the above date and assets and liabilities were settled as follows. The creditors were paid off by giving them the plant and machinery at discount of 10% and balance paid in cash. Ria's loan was paid with the interest of 500. Debtors realized 10% less of the amount due from them. Stock is taken over by Ria. Investment realized 80% of their book value. Realization expenses 600 were paid by Dia. You are required to prepare realization account, Ria's loan account, Dia's capital account, and bank account. So first we need to prepare realization account and realize all the assets and liabilities. So write down realization account. We have particulars, amount, particulars and amount, debit side, credit side. So what is the first step in case of realization? Transfer all the assets. So go to the balance sheet. Which are the assets given in the problem? They have given us cash. There is nothing to do with cash. Then they have given us debtors. So on the debit side we'll be writing to debtors account. Debtors value is 42,000. We write it at the book value and provision for doubtful debts will be written on the credit side. So immediately write provision for doubtful debts. Please write the full form. How much is it? 6,000. Next, they have given us stock. How much is stock? 12,000. So we'll write to stock account 12,000. Then we have investment to investment account 18,000. Then we have plant and machinery to plant and machinery account 39,000. First step is to transfer all the assets and all the liabilities. So on the credit side we'll be having by sundry creditors. How much is it? 60,000. Then we have investment fluctuating fund 2,000. Why am I writing the investment fluctuating fund? Because it's transferred to the credit side of realization as it is not to be paid, as it is not an actual liability. Okay. Then after that, next step is we need to write all the assets realized and liabilities realized. So by cash account in bracket assets realized. Underline this. So we have under adjustment point number 2, debtors realized 10% less of the amount due from them. So debtors will be, how much is the value? 42,000. 42,000 minus 10%. How much is it? We get 37,800. So in bracket you can write 42,000 minus 10 by 100. We get 37,800. Next we have investment realized at 80% of book value. So investment, what is the amount of investment? 18,000. So it is 18,000 into 80 by 100, that is 14,400. How much is it? 52,200. Then we realize the liabilities. So to cash account in bracket liabilities realized. Liability only creditors are realized. At how much? The creditors were paid off by giving them plant and machinery at a discount of 10%. So we'll write creditors. So the creditors is 60,000. We have paid them with plant and machinery 10% discount. So it is 39,000 minus 10 by 100. So we get 60,000 minus 35,100, which is 24,900. Next, they have given us stock was taken over by Ria. So when asset is taken over by your partner, it will be on the credit side by Ria's capital account in bracket stock taken over. How much is it? 7,000. Next we have interest on Ria's loan. So on the credit side we'll write to interest on Ria's loan. How much is it? 500. Then we have realization expenses 600 paid by Dia. So to Dia's capital account 600. Next we total our realization account. Which side is more? Our debit side total is more, that is 1,37,000. 1,37,000. So there is a loss which will be transferred to by partners capital account, in bracket loss transferred. We have Dia and Ria. So 1,37,700. The difference is 9,800. They share profit and loss equally. So 4,900. 4,900. So go to your journal entries which I have given you. The first step is transfer all the assets. Next step is transfer all the liabilities except cash in hand, cash at bank, reserves, profit and loss account, balance. Next is all the assets are realized, all the liabilities are realized. Then if assets are taken over, if liabilities are taken over, then we have realization expenses that needs to be written. Clear? Next we need to prepare the loan account of the partners. We have Ria's loan and we have Dia's loan. So both the loan account will be prepared. So write down Ria's loan account, particulars and amount, debit, credit. First we bring down the balance from the balance sheet. By balance brought down, how much is it? 15,000. Then there is interest. So by interest on Ria's loan, how much is it? 500. So we get 15,500. 15,500. The balancing figure will be to cash account 15,500. Next we prepare Dia's loan account. We have debit balance, credit balance. So it is on the asset side. So to balance brought down 2,000 and we transfer it to by Dia's capital account 2,000. So whenever the loan is on the asset side, we will be transferring it to the capital account of the partner, and when it is on the credit side, we will be transferring it to cash account. Then we prepare partners capital account. We have debit side, credit side. So first step is to bring down the balance. By balance brought down 30,000, 10,000. Then we have expenses paid by Dia. So realization account, how much is it? 600. Expenses paid. So Ria, Dia, Ria and Dia. Then we transfer the general reserve 7,500, 7,500. Then on the debit side we have to Dia's loan account 2,000. There is to realization account in bracket stock taken over by Ria 7,000. Then we have loss on realization. So again to realization account 4,900, 4,900. Now balancing figure, whatever we get, which side total is more? Our credit side. 37,500, 18,100. 37,500, 18,100. So to cash account in bracket final payment 25,600, 11,200. Clear? Last we will be preparing a cash account. By realization account in bracket creditors paid 24,900. Then we have by Ria's loan account 15,500. By Ria's capital account. From the partner's capital, we got the balance of 25,600. From Diya's capital account, we got 11,200. And on the debit side, we have to balance brought down 25,000 from the balance sheet. And to realization account, assets realized 52,200. Our cash account must tally. What is it? 77,200, 77,200. Clear? Take down the next side heading. Treatment of goodwill. Under that, write down first one. If goodwill is already appearing in the balance sheet, comma, it is treated like any other asset, comma, and is transferred to the realization account at the value given in the balance sheet. So the entry is realization account debited to goodwill account. Then we have case 2. If goodwill is not appearing in the balance sheet, the above mentioned entry will not be passed. Next we have case 3. When some amount is realized for goodwill, so it is bank or cash account debited to realization account. And last we have, if goodwill is taken over by the partners, so it is partners capital account debited to realization account. Next, write down the note. If the question is silent about the realization of goodwill, comma, it is assumed that goodwill has not realized any amount. Take down next illustration 7. XYZ were partners in the firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. Following transaction took place. X took over the investment of 25% more than book value. Y took over debtors amounting to 5,000 and 4,000. Remaining debtors realized at 75% of book value. Stock is sold for 59,000 and plant is sold for 40,000. Expenses of realization amounted to 1,000. It was found that there is a liability for 8,000 of damages which are also paid. Prepare the account. So first we have to prepare realization account. First thing is debit side, credit side, particulars amount. Transfer all the assets. So bank balance will not be there. To debtors 15,000. Then we have provision. So buy provision 1,000. Then we have to stock 80,000. To investment 20,000. To plant 75,000. To goodwill 35,000. Next step is transfer all the liabilities. So by creditors 18,500. By Mrs. X loan. Mrs. X loan will be there, but the partner's loan will not be transferred. Mrs. X is the third person. Then we have by investment fluctuating fund. How much is it? 7,500. Next, go to the adjustment. X took over the investment at 25% more than the book value. So this is investment taken over. Then we have Y took over debtors amounting to 5,000 at 4,000. Remaining debtors realized at 75% of book value. So by we have bank balance. So we'll be writing by bank assets realized. Under that we have debtors. So debtors amount was 15,000. Y took the debtors of 5,000 to 4,000 and remaining debtors is realized at 75% of book value. Remaining debtors is how much? 10,000. So it is 10,000 into 75 by 100. 7,500. Stock is sold for 59,000. So stock 59,000. Plant is 40,000. So these are the assets realized. We get 1,06,500. Then we have liabilities realized, so to bank account. If in the adjustment they have not given that a particular liabilities are realized or not, we assume it is realized. So we have creditors 18,500 and then we have Mrs. X loan. How much is it? 5,000. So we get 23,500. Then they have said that X took over the investment at 25% more than book value. So by X capital account in bracket investment taken over. What was the value of investment? 20,000. So they have taken more than 25%. So 20,000 plus 25%, we get 25,000. Then we have Y took the debtors. So by Y's capital account 4,000 rupees. Next we have expenses of realization 1,000. So to bank account, if nothing is mentioned, it is paid by the firm. 1,000 rupees, that is realization expenses. Then we have to bank account, there is an unrecorded liability in bracket damages 8,000. Anything else? No. So we total the realization account. The debit side total is more, 2,57,500. 2,57,500. Then we have by partners capital account in bracket loss transferred XYZ. What is the balancing figure? 90,000 in the ratio 3:2:1. So we get 45,000, 30,000, 15,000. That is 90,000 into 3/6. 90,000 into 2/6, 90,000 into 1/6. After this, we need to prepare X loan account. Which side it is? Liability side or asset side? It's on the liability side. So by balance brought down 8,000, it will be transferred to bank account 8,000. Next we prepare partners capital account. We have three partners, XYZ, XY and Z. So the first step is to bring down the balance. By balance brought down 60,000, 56,000, 40,000. Transfer any reserve if we have. We have workman compensation reserve in the ratio 3:2:1. So 15,000, 10,000, 5,000. Then go to realization account. Wherever there is capital account, here it is X capital, Y capital. So to realization account, that is in bracket you can write assets taken over. X we have 25,000, Y we have 4,000. Then loss of realization. So to realization account again in bracket loss transferred 45,000, 30,000, 15,000. Next we balance our partners capital account. Credit side total is more, 75,000, 66,000, 45,000. 75,000, 66,000, 45,000. So to bank account in bracket final payment 5,000, 32,000, 30,000. Last we prepare our bank account, particulars amount, particulars and amount. So first step is bring down the balance. To balance brought down 1,000. Next we have to realization account in bracket sale of assets. How much is it? 1,06,500 we got in the realization account. Then credit side we have realization account bracket expenses 1,000. Then we have again realization account bracket damages 8,000. So whatever in the realization, wherever there is bank, we transfer it to the bank account. Then again we have by realization account in bracket liabilities 23,500. Then we have by X loan account 8,000. Last we have by X capital account, Y's capital account, YZ's capital account. 5,000, 32,000, 30,000. We total is 1,07,500. 1,07,500. It is tiling, which means our sum is correct. So if in case the liabilities I have not mentioned if it is realized or not, we assume that it is always realized. Clear? You can write down a note. Write down note. If nothing is mentioned in the question about the payment of outside liabilities, full stop, it is assumed that these are paid in full. Full stop. Hence, creditors and Mrs. X loan are to be paid in full in the question. Next side heading, write down payment of partner's loan. Under that, write down partner's loan is to be paid after payment of outside liabilities but before payment of capital of the partners. Full stop. However, if the capital account of the partner from whom loan has been taken by the firm shows a debit balance after all his adjustments, comma, his loan account will be transferred to the credit of his capital account to the extent of debit balance of capital account. So to understand this better, let me give you an example. Case 1. Loan from Manoj, rupees 1 lakh. Manoj's capital account credit balance 40,000. So in this case, the journal entry will be Manoj's loan account debited to bank account 40,000, 40,000 in bracket repayment of Manoj's loan. Then we have case 2. Loan from Manoj, rupees 1 lakh, comma, Manoj's capital account debit balance, rupees 70,000. So in this case, the entry will be Manoj's loan account debited to Manoj's capital account to bank account. So his debit balance was 70,000. Loan taken from him is 1 lakh. Balancing figure will be set off as 30,000. Write down the narration. Manoj's loan adjusted against debit balance of his capital account and balance repaid. Next we have case 3. Loan from Manoj rupees 1 lakh. Manoj's capital account debit balance rupees 1,25,000. So the entry will be Manoj's loan account debited, bank account debited to Manoj's capital account 1,25,000, 1,25,000. In bracket write down balance in Manoj's loan account transferred to his capital account and deficiency brought in. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.